ओम चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। 19th chapter of Upadesha Sahasri. It is called Atma Manah Samvad Prakaranam, or it is also called Trishna Jvara Nashaka Prakaranam or Bheshaja Prakaranam. Trishna means desire. Jvara means fever. The fever of desire destroying chapter, or the medicinal chapter, Bheshaja. Bheshaja can be Aushadhi, and it is in the form of dialogue between Atma and mind. So let us begin the Tika. Page number 321. Tadevam Sankshepa Vistarabhyam Tattvam Padartha Parishodhana Purvakam Brahmatmaikya Lakshana Vakyartha Jnanam Safalam Sarva Vedanta Pratyayam Pramana Yuktibhyam Upapaditam. Tadevam Tat Evam Vakyartha Jnanam Upapaditam. Mahavakyartha Jnanam is explained. How? Sankshepa Vistarabhyam. Sankshepaschya Vistarascha iti Sankshepa Vistarau Tabhyam. In brief and in elaboration. How? Tattvam Padartha Parishodhana Purvakam. Padartha Shodhanam Tat Padartha Tvam Padartha. You can do a similar process between Upadesha Sahasri chapter 18 and Naishkarmya Siddhi. There also chapter 2, chapter 3 are Tat Padartha, Pada Padartha Jnanam, then Vakyartha Jnanam. But the style is very different. Padartha Parishodhana Purvakam Brahmatmaikya Lakshana Vakyartha Jnanam Saphalam. What is the phalam of this Jnanam? Jivan Mukti, Videha Mukti, everything was explained. Sarva Vedanta Pratyayam, which is the Pratyayam means thinking or thought of all Vedanta. Means it is Sarva Vedanta Sara. Pramana Yuktibhyam Upapaditam, with the help of Pramana, Shruti and Yukti. Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Satya Jnana Ananta Ananda Swabhavasya Pratyagatmano Bheda Viparyasadi Aneka Anartha Hetushcha Ahankara Mano Buddhi Chitta Vachyam Antakaranam Iti Cha Tatra Tatroktam. Pratyagatma is of this Swabhava. Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Satya Jnana Ananta Ananda. This is the Swabhava of Pratyagatma. Pratyagatmano Bheda Viparyasadi Aneka Anartha Hetushcha. And the reason for all the Dvaitam, all divisions, all erroneous notions, Viparita Bhavana, And all the anartha, aneka anartha hetu is what? Ahankara mano buddhi chitta vachyam antakaranam iti cha tatra tatra uktam. So two things are very clear. Atma is Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Satya Jnana Ananta Ananda Swabhava. And Anatma is Antakaranam mainly. All problems are because of Antakaranam. All duality is because of Antakaranam. All Viparita Bhavanas are because of Antakaranam. This has been already said. Sometimes it is a ahankara is the problem, sometimes mind is the problem. It is this only. Idanim pradhanyena manodhyasa nibandhana eva atmanah samsaro. Now, what is concluded is mano adhyasa nibandhana atmanah samsarah. Atmana means swasya, jivasya. Jivasya samsaro mano adhyasa nibandhana pradhanya. Primarily, it is superimposition of antakaranam on atma or mind on atma. Mano dharma are superimposed on atma. So mano adhyasa nibandhanam yasya kasya
Atmanaha.
mano adhyasa nibandhanam
samsarasya.
Samsarasya.
Samsaras. Mano adhyasa is the karanam for samsara. Kasya samsara? Atmanah samsara. Ato manah swarupatah cheshtanusandhanena tad vilapane yatnah karya. So now, manah swarupatah cheshtanusandhane. When manah, mind, is going to do swarupatah some cheshta, some activities, tad vilapane yatnah karya. Then the effort should be for its vilapanam. So earlier, chapter 8 of Upadesha Sahasri was Mati Vilapanam Prakarana. This is extension of that same Prakarana. Dialogue with the mind in simple terms. And this is the main place where I have to put forth effort. Maximum effort should be here. But for this, so many things have to be conducive. My lifestyle should be that I don't have to deal with too many people. Then only I can focus on dealing with mind. When there are 25 other issues going on, and even if I study this, even if I teach someone, where will I have opportunity to just deal with my own mind one-on-one? If there are other issues always, I will be carried away by everything else. So you have to understand it this way. Upadesha Sahasri itself is a text which is not generally meant for beginner or even mediocre students. It is meant for students who are highly advanced. At the end of the text, in the 19th chapter, whatever is offered by Bhagavan Bhashyakar is offered to someone who is so ripe, who is so virakta. then that person can have samvada with mind. Otherwise, he will have samvada with people around. इति अभिप्रायेण आत्ममनः संवाद रूपं प्रकरणम् आरभमाणो भगवान् भाष्यकारः प्रकरण प्रयोजनं तावदा. So आत्ममनः संवाद रूपं प्रकरण आरभमाणः भगवान् भाष्यकार, the one who initiates this prakara prayojanam, he talks about now. So we should know the depth of this. Is actually meant for Amani Bhava. This chapter should help me in attaining Amani Bhava. Prayujya Trishna Jvaranashakaranam Chikitsitam Jnana Viraga Bheshajam Nayati Kama Jvarasannipatajam Sharira Malam Shatayoga Dukkhitam Prayujya Trishna Jvaranashakaranam Chikitsitam Jnana Viraga Bheshajam Nayati Kama Jvarasannipatajam Sharira Malam Shatayoga Dukkhitam. Krishna Jvaranashakaranam Jnana Viraga Bheshajam Chikitsitam Prayujya Kama Jvara Sannipatajam Sharira Malam Shatayoga Dukkhitam Nayati. This is the Prakarana Prayojanam. What is the purpose of this chapter? He gives in this first shloka. Trishna Jvara, the fever of desire. Its Nashakaranam is what? Jnana Viraga Bheshajam, the medicine of Viveka Vairagya. Either you can take Jnana as Brahmatma Ikya Jnanam or Viveka. Brahmatma Ikya Jnanam plus Vairagya is medicine. Not only Brahmatma Ikya Jnanam, because so everybody hears now, I am Brahma, I am. So Jnana Viraga Bheshajam. Chikitsitam means this is the chikitsa. Chikitsa prayujya. Prayujya, what is the pratyaya?
Lep.
Lyap pratyaya. Means twa pratyaya, twa became lyap. Then kama jvarana. So prayujya means yujir yoge, connecting, means applying this medicine as chikitsa. Then what will happen? Kama jvara sannipata. Sannipata means unconscious. I become unconscious. Or I have no idea of what is. When a person is intoxicated by this kind of fever, 104 and all, when some desires are there, a person doesn't understand anything. Sannipata jam arising from this unconscious state. Sannipata actually means murcha. When he'll speak something, he'll do something. Sharira malam, the series of bodies in this janma and so many janmas, all will lead to Shata Yoga Dukkhita, hundreds of associations with sorrows. All of that will stop when you have Jnana Viraga Aushati. So if somebody has Trishna Jvara, give them Jnana Viraga Bheshajam Aushati. So in this chapter, is not much to elaborate, and I have already elaborated so many ideas in meditation sessions. These shlokas, some of these. So those who are familiar with that, you can see that also. This is complement to those meditation sessions. चिकित्सितम चिकित्सा भावे निष्ठा निष्ठा प्रत्यय चिकित्सा चिकित्सा इज चिकित्सितम ज्ञानम विवेक रूपम विराग रूपम विराग तो विवेक वैराग्य औदासीन्यम मनोवृत्ति विषयेषु अनासक्ति लक्षण इन मनोवृत्ति विषय मनोवृत्ति एव विषय कर्मधारय. So, Bahya Vishaya Anasakti was already discussed from beginning. Now, he is discussing Manovritti. I see external. And to them, I am not attached. Anasakti Lakshanam cha bheshajam yasmins tat chikitsitam Krishna Rupa Jvara Nasha Karanam. So, Viveka, Vairagya is in the form of Audasinyam or Anasakti Lakshanam. Not getting attached to Manovrittis also. The one who has this, Yasmins Tat Chikitsitam Krishna Rupa Jvara Nashakaranam Prayujya. So, taking this as the medicine or applying this as the medicine, Dukkhitam, Dukkhitvam na yati puman iti yojana. A person does not attain sorrow. Kama eva jvaras, tan nimitta sannipato, murcha. Kama is jvara. Arising from that is sannipata, murcha. Atman atma viveka lakshana. Aviveka Lakshana it should be. Here also they have given Murcha is Atma Anatma Aviveka Lakshana, not Viveka Lakshana. When Atma Anatma Viveka is not there, then Tato Jata Sharira Parampara. Out of that Viveka, Sharira Parampara, lots of problems, one after the other, Sharira, etc. शरीर परंपरा शतयोगैहि संबंधैर दुखिताम. So jatam tato jatam dukhitam. Because of Atma Anatma Viveka, Atma means Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Ananta Ananda Swarupa Swabhava. And Anatma means Antakarana. Nobody identifies with Ghatapata. Anatma means either Sharira or mind. Bas. And hundreds of bodies and so many sorrows. Yadva chikitsitam iti bheshaja visheshanam yojyam. Or chikitsitam, when it is given, Chikitsitam jnana viraga bheshaj means that well inquired and cleaned viveka vairagya, jnana vairagya. That can also be given adjective to the aushadhi. Samyak yatha shastram sadhitam itya means that viveka vairagya should be samyak sadhitam. भेषज प्रयोग प्रकरणम आत्ममन संवादेन प्रपंचयति. Now he begins the chapter in the form of dialogue. Atma and Mana. So the most of the chapter is this dialogue. Aham mameti tvamanarthami hase pararthamicchanti tavanya ihitam natirthabodho nahime charthita ततश्च युक्तः शम एव ते मनः. अहं ममेति त्वमनर्थमीहसे परार्थमिच्छन्ति तवान्य ईहितं न तेऽर्थबोधो न हि मेऽस्ति चार्थिता ततश्च युक्तः शम एव ते मनः. हे मनः. He is not there, huh? You have to supply. He mana. Tvam aham mama iti anartham ihase in the first line. Anye tava ihitam parartham icchanti. Te arthabodho nahi. में अर्थिता च नहीं ततश्च ते क्षमः एव युक्तः. हे माइंड, ओ माइंड, you are constantly desiring I, mine, aham mama. This is all anartha. Anartham ihase. So your desires and activities are all problems only. You are in meditation session. Anye means Sankhya. The Sankhya Vadi, what do they say? Prakriti is for Purusha, Bhogaya, Apavargaya, Purushasya, Bhogaya, Apavargaya, Prakriti, Pravartate. So Antakarana is Prakriti, Atma is Purusha. The job of Prakriti is to give Bhoga or Apavarga to Purusha. So Anye Tava Ihitam Cheshtitam, whatever is desired and acted upon by you, they say this is Parartham, not Swartham. This is for Atma, this is for Purusha. But we are Vedantis, we don't think like that. Te Artha Bodhona, you are Jada. You don't know anything. What is right, what is wrong. Your mind doesn't know anything. And I don't have desires. Me arthita cha nasti. You don't know what to give. I don't want anything. How will we work together? What you have to offer, I don't want. I don't need. And you have no understanding of what to do, how to do. You are matter, inert. And therefore, tataha, te shamah eva yuktah. You just keep quiet and sit. This is the best thing for you. Don't interfere in my matters. He manah. Aham mama iti idam iti api drashtavya. Aham mama idam, everything. Tvam anartham vyartham ihase chestase. You are doing all useless activities. Nanu tvad artham eva aham cheste. Ata katham anarthakyam iti ched. Mind says, I am working day and night for you. I want to give you joy. I want to give you pleasures of the world. I bring so many things. Why do you say it is anarthakyam? All everything is useless. Iti ched na ham sankhyo. I am not a sankhyan. Yam prati eva abhimanas tava iti uttarama. Words that sankhya means sankhya atma, you the mind has this abhiman. I am doing so much, everything for atma. I bring this, I bring that. I keep so many things away. Parartham icchanti. The Sankhyans, they say, Prakriti is for parartha, not swartha. Tave hitam parartham purushasya bhogapavargartham अन्य सांख्या इच्छन्ति न वयम वेदांत सिद्धांत वेदिना पुरुषस्य भोगापवर्गार्थम तव इहितम तव प्रकृतेः प्रकृति's activities are for purusha bhoga and apavarga. Apavarga means moksha. Sankhyas think like this. Sankhyaha icchanti. Na vayam, we don't think like that. Who are we? Vedanta Siddhanta Vedinaha. They are the knowers of Vedanta Siddhanta. We know what is Vedanta. Vicharyamane tan manishitam api buddha. When we inquire, these desires of mind is all false. Buddha is useless. It is unjustified. To a person who is virakta, and somebody say, oh, I have this for you, I have that for you. And that person say, I don't need any of this. What is the use of all this? Without so many things, I am content. And people may think, how is this possible? How can you be content without all these so important things? They are so important for you from your standpoint. They have no meaning. Yataste arthabodho na sambhavati acetanatvat. Because you don't have the knowledge of Vishayas or anything. Pravritti, nivritti, karya, bhaya, bandha, moksha. You don't know anything. You are jada, achetana. Napi me tvai arthita asti. I have no desire from you. I am complete. I am full, says Atma. Tatasyate shamo laya eva yukta. Therefore, your laya should happen. Now, this laya in meditation sessions I have explained, but I will mention it again. Laya here is at two levels. One is you have to reduce the strength of mind in the form of vikshepas. So I have to reduce desires of mind. I have to reduce rajoguna, tamoguna in mind. Then when sattvic mind is there, obedient mind is there. Most important feature is obedience. That mind which will listen to you. And it is sattvic, then you can do negation of that mind. That is the Vedantic laya. Like laya of Sarpa in Rajya. without reducing desires, without making it sattvic, without making it focused, you cannot do nishedha of mind. So this is appropriate for you. Just go away, oh mind. Don't bother me. Means this is not a poetry. Huh? I'll tell you. Don't think it is very poetic and therefore I can just read and some expression. We have to internalize this. Am I able to see mind as my drishya? When I have to talk to someone, if I am talking to a person, I visualize that person. I mean, that person is different from me. He's an object. I am subject. He is just to listen. So here also, if I am talking to mind, mind is a different object other than me to whom I can address. If these things are not available to me, if mind I cannot address, then the teaching, this chapter, one may think, oh, it is nice to hear, but it will not benefit you. Mind has to be properly taught what should be done. Atmano arthitva bhavam sadhayati. How Atma is not desiring anything, how it is not arthi. Arthi means not a desirer. So that he explains sadhayati. Yato na chanyah paramat sanatanat sadaiva trupto hamato namerthita sadaiva truptascha nakamaye hitam.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
यतस्वचेतः प्रशमायते हितम् यतो न चान्यः परमात् सनातनात् सदैव तृप्तो हमतो न मेर्थिता सदैव तृप्तश्च न कामये हितम् यतस्वचेतः प्रशमायते हितम्. यतः since परमात् सनातनात् सदैव तृप्तोहम्. न च अन्यः अस्ति. और परमात् सनातनात् अन्यः न. Other than parama sanatana brahma vastu, there is none. Sadaiva truptoham, and I am ever content. Ataha, therefore, namerthita. Therefore, I don't desire anything. Sadaiva truptascha nakamaye hitam. I am ever content. I don't desire anything. I don't need anything. Therefore, he chetaha yatasva. He prashamaya yatasva. You strive for becoming calm. In that alone is your hitam. Don't desire objects. Become calm. टीका. सनातनात् पूर्णानंद रूपात् परमात् अविकारात् परमात्मनो अन्यो नाहम. यतः अतः therefore सदैव तृप्त इत्यादि रूपस् तस्माद् हे चेतः हे प्रशमाय यतस्व. हे चेतः हे प्रशमाय यतस्व. Work for your प्रशम. मुमुक्षुणा मनोविलयने यत्नः कार्य इति अभिप्रायः. A mumukshu should work for manovilaya. Means at two levels. One is reducing desires, reducing rajoguna, tamoguna, making mind sattvic and focused, obedient. Then that mind can be negated. Next shloka we will just read. Paramatma bhedena swasya arthitva bhava ukta. Paramatma bhedena. Paramatma abhedena swasya arthitva bhava. Jivatma, I am not earthy because I am Paramatma. Tam eva abhedam upapadayati. That abheda he talks. Shadurmimalabhyati eva yaha sa eva chatma jagatascha shrutehe pramanataschapi maya pravedyate mudhaiva tasmacha manastave hitam. षडूर्मिमालाभ्यतिवृत्त एव यः स एव चात्मा जगतश्च न श्रुतेः प्रमाणतश्चापि मया प्रवेद्यते मुदैव तस्माच्च मनस्तवे हितम्. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.